Today's lesson is going to be on comparing and ordering numbers. As we have seen in past lessons, a place value chart can help you compare whole numbers. A place value chart shows the value of each digit in a number. We can use math symbols when we compare whole numbers. For example, this symbol means a number is greater than the next number. This symbol means the first number listed is less than the next number. And of course the equal sign means that they are the same. In some instances, we need to determine which number is the largest in a group of numbers. For example, during an election, we need to look at the number of votes that each candidate receives and determine who won. In this situation, we have Jim Doe, and he received 68,342 votes. We have taken that number and placed it into our place value chart, and once again we see that he has 68,000, because the 68 of course is in the thousands period, 342. Our next candidate, Georgia Allen, received 66,549 votes. We placed her number in the place value chart, and we have 66,549. Our last candidate is Sarah Ryan, and she received 68,695 votes. And at the bottom, we have placed her in the place value chart, receiving 68,695 votes. When we are comparing numbers, we need to look at the digit that is in the largest place value. In this situation, our largest place value is the 10,000s place. But you will notice that all of the digits in the 10,000s place value is a 6. So that doesn't determine which one received the most. So we move to the next place value, and in this situation it is the thousands place. We see an 8, a 6, and an 8. We can now eliminate our middle number, the 66,549, because that number does not compare, the 6 does not compare to our 8s, it is smaller. So we can automatically say that Georgia did not win. So that leaves us with Jim's and Sarah's. So we know that our 6s are the same. We know that our 8s are the same. So now we move on to our hundreds place. In this place value, Jim has a 3 and Sarah has a 6. So we know that a 6 is larger. So we now know that Sarah, having 68,695 votes, is now our winner. If we take our election one step farther, we now know that Sarah is the winner of the election. And if we were to use our greater than, less than, and equal to symbols to put these numbers in order from the greatest to the least, we would start with Sarah's, and she had 68,695 votes, and that is greater than, our next person would be Jim, 68,342 votes, which is greater than Georgia's 66,549 votes. So now we know that our winner is Sarah. And if we were to put them in order from the largest to the smallest, we would have Sarah, and then Jim, and then Georgia.